Hmm?
Luis may serve as my attendant, but he's also my instructor. So don't hold back on him. Give him all you've got. Understood?
Oh dear. Do take it easy, all right? Simply not suffice. Look at that. An autograph.
Yeah! Don't write on my head!
It suits you well, Lord Beerus.
Yeah, it's not coming off! You use permanent ink! I'm gonna go wash this off.
If you're as slow as he is, I'll draw pupils on your eyelids for you. I'll play with you for a I'll play with you for a little while.
Well, well, you've got some good moves.
That does feel better.
You appear satisfied, Lord Beerus.
I'm still a little annoyed at your doodling, though.
Relax. We can pick up some sushi on the way home.
All right, that sounds fine. I'll leave destroying Toa to you, then.
Great! You can count on us!
We'll bring every criminal who tampers with history to justice.
Well, I'll see you around.
Who does he think he is, talking to me like that?
Hello? I can still hear you.
I wasn't saying anything.
Do take care, everyone.
And now Toa has learned how to hijack our communication system.
Those two keep finding new tricks to use on us.
That must mean they're running out of options. Turles, Slug, Cooler, Broly, Janemba. The strongest they could find. There aren't many fighters of that caliber left. Our showdown against Mira is getting close. We have to defend this universe's history.
Right.
I swear that I'll make them pay dearly for upsetting Lord Beerus like that.
Right.
You sure are enthusiastic all of a sudden.